Hello guys, this is a special chapter in our Canal design project. In this project, we will create a design profile using list command in the Civil 3D and profile create from the file. So first we will create a file, text file, taking help of the list command. So let's go start how to be use the list command and profile creation by file. Here you see in the last our video, previous video, we created the surface profile, also the design profile. But here I am telling you a best way of the creating the design profile. I created one polyline along with our surface profile. You can see this is the property, polyline, geometry, everything you can see here. Okay, so this is the all our surface is the covering here as we create the surface profiles. And here see like so many steps are there. Another way we can create the surface here by tools, but it will be take much time. Just I am giving to example like the create the profile creation tools in design panel here, and it's asking select your profile. Select profile and give to any name. Here should be design profile, then you can say okay. Now so many options are in the tools you can use. If you use the draw tangent here, because no curve straight, if same say to like this start from here and we follow the our profile polyline for the profile like this, then it will be take the much times, and you see like this chance of the mistakes, it's not follow correct it like a enter now. So this profile has created, but if we reach up to end, it will take much time, more time. And if we have more like the 100-200 kilometers, then we will creating a time much conjectures and the not surety of the accuracy. So here I'm going to control undo gen, undo. Okay, now that has gone the profile. I'm telling now the best way of how to we create. First we have to just copy this our polyline here from here, copy with base point. Base point is this one. Okay, now escape and click right click and say to here paste, or control V you can use here, paste. Okay, it's asking the paste locations. So just you give to 0, 0 and enter. It's already paste, but paste where at the 0 coordinates. So how do we find it? Zoom, click, zoom, extend, then set to escape and scroll down. You see, we can see that our profile is here now. You can see this is the our profile here. Okay, and we are now try to get the x and y coordinate in this profile. In the plan, x and y is a location coordinate like a x this side and y upper side or down side. Okay, but in this case the x this side will be horizontal distance and y means the vertical distance, we can say z or elevations. So how do we get this from the polyline, we have so many ways, and we have to money list also we can get, but I'm telling to you simple way. Use the list command. Give to command list, list, list. You can see here the list. Just click once here. It's asking select to object. We are selecting object. I select object. He's saying 1 pound. Then say to enter. Now you can see we get the all x, y, z here. Z is the 0, 0 and x and y coordinate. This y will be here the elevation, x will be horizontal distance. So this we have to copy from the here, because they see the all our line weight is the 0, all information of the our polylines. Space is is the model space, or handle is this 21 dB, and open hai constant width means thickness of the polyline is 0, 0, area is this, length is this. So these things we don't want, but we want from here. So we can't select from the x, just we select from at point. Sorry, go to up again, select from here at point and come up to down, select all, then right click and say to copy. Now open your Excel blank sheet, Excel, yes, blank sheet, and just paste here. Okay, we paste, but the all coordinates are in the one column. You see they in a column, but we want to separate. I have one separate video. You can go my channel and can see, or I am explaining to here. Just click once here and remove this cell, because we don't want this row. Delete. Okay, and then click here or click here. Then give to space bar, push space. Then it come one line. Okay, then click to here and come to here in data bar, tab data, then come to here text to column tab. Just click once here, then this is the open here. Should be select here fixed width, not delimate. If the delimate, then like you see, I'm show you, see it's not looking here. But this command, if you want to use, then give to here one is the space, then again it's here the x is the entering here, and you if you give here the equal here, then again it's, see it's VG like that. If you don't want to use like this, then the fixed width, then select here, say to next. Then you can change your here the XY already recorded, but in this lines just here click and scroll this side and put like this. Like this you can do, or the fixed you can do as you like here. Okay, so see there our different options are here. Go to back again here and click in delimate here, then next here, and here equal already I selected. Here put, you see is this treat constantly delimits as one should be check in, and space and other both have to select here equal, sure, then say to next. Okay, then say finish. You see this column has now blank, and here then the separate you can see everywhere. So we want only these two values, other values we don't want. So select from here up to here, and here see y still is here. Okay, then delete from here. Okay, then delete y, select y column and delete, and select this one z or this 0 both, and delete it. Now we have x, y. Here x is the horizontal distance and y is the vertical, means elevations. So this is the last end, but starting from here. So we want start from here. Just select this two column like this, and same in data, come A to Z here, select, then you see the 0 has gone in the first row and this has come to end. It's okay now. So this create a text file. How? Just click here and equal. We are bringing these two columns in one column. How? Just click once here, then shift and double inverted comma, then comma, then comma, then again double inverted comma, then again and then select your second row like this. Yes, you can make so many rows like that, but here we don't want the comma. So just select once our formula bar here and delete comma and give to space once here, then enter. See the space and 00. Now select here and all have to copied here. Then you see that all our this two column has to come in the one column. Now select it all, select all and copy here. Select all this data and copy this, then open your Notepad, okay, and Control V, paste all data here, then save, okay, this data where I want to save on the desktop, and file design file text, no problem, and save it. I saved in the desktop, remember it here. Now you can close your Excel sheet without saving, no problem, don't save, okay. This work is the finish. Now select this polyline and delete it here and go to in the zoom and zoom extent, then come to in our profile. Our profile is here, okay. One thing we forget, so we have to open our Notepad again. We have to give the starting elevation to our profile. So here note and check, this is the 1075, and from here to here it is the 2 meters, means starting the 1077. Okay, so we have to open our Notepad again. How do we open and edit it? Again, open a Excel blank sheet, open a blank sheet, and same we will edit here. Go here and say to open, browse, and on desktop select the all files, and this is the our design file text. Open the same here. It's asking, okay, delimit, next, then put here space, then say to next and say to okay. Now in the separate column again, so in the 0, what is the 0? Our elevations, 0 elevations 1072, 7 or 72, we'll check here. 75, then 2 meter, then 77. Come here again, open your Excel. Okay, 77, 1077. Okay, and this is all we have to add in this here, so that we get the y means elevations. Here you set to equal this one and plus this one, enter, formula is okay, and up to here. This one also last. Okay, this one also last here. Okay, we get the elevations start from here. Our starting elevation this one and end elevation this one. Now just select this row and say to copy and paste here as a numbers. Okay, now this you can delete the all, delete. Okay, then come to here in this row and formula equal and same formula, select this cell and double inverted comma and comma, double inverted comma and then select the second column and formula is here, but we want here, we don't want the comma, we want the space, so give one space here and then enter. Okay, then select it here from here to here. Okay, this is now exact our elevations as per the our polyline. So just select from here, copy and here paste as a number. Okay, and you can delete this all, otherwise this is the delete from here to all, like this. Delete delete the all columns from here, select and delete all we deleted. This is the way. Now you can save it, and we want to save in our text file. Okay, then say to close, save. Okay, then close and check again our file. Where is the file? In the desktop. Here, desktop design text file. You see that our file has come as we edited. So you can see how to we use the Excel and edit the our text file here. Close it. Now it's easy, very easy. Now you see it's okay, very well. Just click here, create profile. From the file here, same we have repeat. This is the our design file text here. Okay, open it, give to name same again. I given the name previous design. Okay, profile. Okay, design profile. Okay, and you want to give to name Canal. Here you select the design, and here you can select the complete label set, then say to OK. Yes, now you see the start point is here, and you come here. Okay, see here up to, and you can come very fast and very easy and accurate. We created the our surface profile here. You see, looks very nice and very good. Okay, see here, exact following our polylines. So I think you understood how to we create a design profile using text file, and how to we create that text file for the design profiles. In the next chapter, we will create the cross sections, means assemblies, corridors, sample lines and sections, all in the next chapter. As I promised, this is only a special chapter for explaining to you. Thanks for watching.